Alright, Monday 13th of November. It's about 12:55 right now, midday. And I'm just doing a quick roundup on the trades I'm looking at for the week because the levels weren't quite right. Just refining my strategy basically. Like very quick video. So we'll just look at the dollar. Down at the levels for the weekly range, I reckon. We'll just play that out. Maybe if we take up, maybe come push into a little bit higher. But I'm really expecting like coming back in to that level. It should be expected. So, and then we'll look for the downside, maybe into this support level right here, around this area basically, or further into here, and we finally get that 2022 cap. And if the dollar is really bullish, then from here essentially we should be looking at higher prices. Cool. And then we'll look at ES quick. If I'd even done it, ES. I was looking at this long, like very short term long, but I think the ship has sailed for that. Otherwise, some sort of rejection off this level here to play to the downside. Haven't really looked at that proper anyway. GU, look at it from a daily perspective. It's quite choppy, but it is still holding this sort of what do you call it, trend. So it should really hold this bounce right here, and it's kind of lining up with the previous monthly mid and the previous weekly mid as well. So that's bounced now. I may enter a position here, stop above here if it looks good. Look to play it higher on the range really. Keep it simple for that. Fill out this little inefficiency, come up here. That's what I'm looking at. GJ, same stuff really. It's broken out of this range. I'd expect higher prices. Something like that maybe. That's what it is, but I'm not really touching yen pairs. GU, just expecting that short. It's been going parabolic since. Bit of choppy PA around here before we come down there. That's what I'm thinking. USD CAD, did I even look at this? Yeah, I thought this is some crap TA, but might as well look at it. So you can either take out this low, secondary scenario, or even hold this support level. I'm a fan if we sweep that low and then look for higher prices there like that. Ideally going for this high there, but yeah, like realistically the lower the better obviously, or even if it comes down to this quarter level, anything really here, but I would expect it to hold this trend line. So the way it's looking, maybe sweep this level here, which is I think it's a previous weekly low or something, I don't know, previous mid. My ideal scenario would be something like that. Should not break below past this quarter high. Fill in the inefficiency maybe, and then yeah, look for that. Euro USD, something kind of easy. If it's looking for higher prices, it's rounded off like that. It should not break this little support level. So maybe we trap sellers, fill in the inefficiency, come back up, reclaim. I'll try, if it reclaims this inefficiency level, I'll go long, add more at this support if it's stronger, and have a lot more conviction on that weekly level there, basically. Then Euro GBP is quite choppy as well. Yeah, I don't know. Going off the monthly range, it's still within the parameters for that, and it's in the weekly as well. I could see it bouncing off here, somewhere around here, and then if it keeps this level intact, and then it will look for higher prices. Not a bad idea, to be honest. And then it's still working within this macro range here, so here to here really. So yeah, Aussie USD, I'm keeping it simple. It's filling in this 4 hour inefficiency. It looked clean on the 4 hour. That's why I'm using the 4 hour, because on a daily it looked like, yeah, I guess it's still inefficient in the daily, but 4 hour, fill it in. It's already rejecting off the mid basically, so that's not actually quite lined up. Should we go off the daily? I reckon we'll go off the daily. And then yeah, that's fine. Cool. So it's already rejected off the mid really. That's probably a fib, if anything. The golden pocket, mid, golden pocket, whatever you want to do. Doesn't really matter. But I reckon if you get a 4 hour close here and then kind of break this support level, go under this support level, close below it, then it'll look good to sell, I reckon. Maybe I'll take a little scalp. I probably won't. I'll probably wait for price to come into around this area, try to reclaim the weekly low, or if it has a good wick reaction, then I'll do that as well. But looking for longs basically. And then yeah, same with Kiwi really. It's got support-ish, resistance, come back in. It should really hold a support, otherwise it will look like get ugly. Again, we had another daily inefficiency zone here. It's very similar to Aussie really. So I'm looking really anything like a reclaim above the weekly range and then play it up really. That's it, very simple. So that's all I'm looking for. Just wanted to clean up the levels. I'll post all this on my Twitter just to keep myself in check, and then yeah, hopefully it plays out to how I want it to. It looks alright. There's quite a few decent trades in here, so yeah.